If you listen carefully enough, the past whispers to you.
We're here to see Albus Dumbledore.
That would be my brother.
Grindelwald's pulling it apart with hate.
This is the team that's going to take down the most dangerous wizard in over a century. A magizoologist, his indispensable assistant. A wizard descended from a very old family, a school teacher, and a muggle.
Dumbledore asked that I give you something.
Are you kidding me right now?
Who wouldn't like our chances?
Off to save the world, Owen.
Swivel, but delicately.
I'm swiveling like you're swiveling.
What is this place?
The room we require.
Correct. 3 points to Hufflepuff.
Can I?
Very dangerous. If it got in the wrong hands, mess you up.
Where did you get it?
I got it for Christmas.
Memory is everything. Without it, we are blind. Without it, we leave the fate of our world to chance.
I'm sorry to disturb you, Albus, but I've just received troubling news.
Tell me, what is it?
It's Grindelwald.
The time is close, my brothers and sisters. Our war with the Muggles begins today!
The world as we know it is coming undone. If we're to defeat him, you'll have to trust me.
Mr. Kowalski, we need you.
I said I want an out on that one out.
You do know I'm a witch, right?
No one can know everything, not even you.
What you're doing is madness. With or without you, I'll burn down their world. Dangerous times favor dangerous men.
If by tea time,
All of us are still alive, you should consider our efforts a success, Mr. Kowalski.
My pleasure.
Do you really intend to turn your back on your own kind? It was you who said we could reshape the world.
Even if we make mistakes. We can try to make things right. We're gonna need some help.
There's nothing you can do to stop me. Things are not quite what they appear.
I trust you're enjoying your wand, Mr. Kowalski.
Can I keep this?